The luxury yacht sector is an industry in the throes of transforming. It mobilizes players who have already started to take important steps towards an environmental transition. Following success of its Monaco Smart and Sustainable Marina Rendezvous, MGUB, Monaco Marina Management, a Monegasque consultancy specialized in eco-marinas, wants to promote sustainable solutions for superyachts by launching the first Monaco Smart Yacht Rendezvous. The Smart Yacht Rendezvous is a forum for these innovators to demonstrate their products, connect with the industry, and inspire positive change. This networking event is an opportunity for owners and players in the industry to discover the technical challenges that need to be overcome and facilitate new partnerships. To conclude this first edition, the Smart and Innovative Yacht Awards ceremony will be awarded to companies that are advancing the sustainability and environmental compatibility of our industry. Join us the 23 to 24 March at the Yacht Club de Monaco.